Hello, I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Lisa, and today we are going to make a kid-friendly lava lamp using materials that you probably already have at home. Materials needed are a clear bottle, vegetable oil, 3/4 to 1 cup of water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer. Alright, so the first step in making your lava lamp is adding water to your clear bottle. Once you are done with that, you are going to fill the rest of your bottle up with vegetable oil. Okay. Don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can. Notice that the oil and the water, they do not mix with one another. I will go into more details about that here in a minute. Okay, so now the next step is adding food color. You can use whatever color you want to. I'm going to go with red. And you're just going to add a few drops of this into your bottle. And notice it going down. The food color is water-based, so it will not mix with the oil. It will sink to the bottom and mix with the water. Our last step is to add Alka-Seltzer. So, let's see what it does. And now you can watch your lava lamp erupt with activity. Isn't that cool? So you are probably wondering how this happens. Oil stays above water because of density. Density is the measurement of how much a substance can fit in a certain amount of space. So if you add oil and water together, you will find that water is much heavier than oil. This is because water has more mass than a cup of oil. Intermolecular polarity prevents the oil and water from mixing together. This basically means that water molecules are polar, so it attracts other water molecules. And oil molecules are nonpolar, so it attracts other oil molecules. But when you put water and oil together, they are not attracted to one another, therefore they do not bond well. When we drop the Alka-Seltzer into our bottle, it reacts to the water to produce carbon dioxide gas bubbles. And since water-gas combination is less dense than oil, they start to rise to the top, taking the colored water with it. Once it reaches the top, the gas bubbles pop and escape into the air. Therefore, the colored water sinks back to the bottom of the bottle. If you want, you can light up your lava lamp by shining a flashlight through the bottom of the bottle. You can also put the cap back onto the bottle once it is inactive, and to reactivate your lava lamp, just drop in some more Alka-Seltzer. I hope you guys enjoyed our science video today, and I hope to see you guys again next time. See ya!